Hi everyone, good to see you again. Today I want to talk about the big hubbub, as it were, over Exodos Ministries. This is the Christian drug abuse rehabilitation ministry coming from Crestview, going to Baker, and the proposal is for it to go on Buckward Road. Now, I've been reporting on this issue from the beginning, so I'm not going to be taking a side on it, but I do think it needs some analysis. There are some misconceptions, I think. For instance, you'll see people say, I'm afraid for my children, or I'm afraid for my loved ones because they have sex addicts over there. Well, sex addicts are not the same as sex offenders, for instance. They might be engaging in some high-risk sexual activity, according to WebMD, because they're covering anxiety or depression or something like that. But that doesn't mean that they're preying on people. That means that it's just two sad people coming together, or whatever the situation may be, and it's consensual. And then you have people who are high functional alcoholics. So they're not going to appear to be having any kind of problem. They might be your best friend. They might be the person you see at church, wherever. That stuff happens. We know that it does. So you need to get probably this image of a dirty, crusty person just out for the next high out of maybe your mind, because that may not be exactly what's going on here. Then on the other hand, what we don't know, we do fear. So I do understand Buckward Road residents' perspective on all of this. If you've had no frame of reference for this type of situation with addiction, it's easy to fear that sort of thing. But then again, your fears may not be unfounded, because even though Exodos Ministries does not take in people who are criminals, what if they are Christians who want help before people even know they have a problem, before they're even caught? What if there are people out there who are needing to be in jail, but no one knows about their acts yet they're getting help at Exodos, and Exodos doesn't know about their issues? Then you wouldn't want to take a gamble on that. If you have, especially if you have a family, and you're raising that family on Buckward Road. So I completely understand that too, and that is why this issue has no real discernible right or wrong position. We can't, as the news bulletin, take a position and say, yes, Exodos Ministry should be there, or no, it should not be there. People need help. Also, families need to be protected, and property values do need to stay up, if you can help it. So what is the right and wrong? I don't have an answer for that. But I do have analysis, and you also can share your opinion during the public meeting tomorrow, Thursday, that January 8th, 6 p.m. is at Baker Recreation Center.